How y'all doing? I hope everybody's feeling good and great and all that shit. Y'all hoes gonna learn about me. Y'all bitches gonna learn about me. Y'all hoes and your bitches and your lame ass niggas, motherfuckers gonna learn about me. Y'all hoes gonna learn about me. Y'all bitches gonna learn about me. Y'all hoes and your bitches and your lame ass niggas, motherfuckers gonna learn about me. 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 Cause I'm the shit and I'm that bitch that none of you niggas and bitches can fuck with. So that's why them bitches be hating. And that's why them niggas be hating. Cause I'm on chrome, my money long, I stay on top of my game, and that's for sure. So that's why them niggas be hating. And that's why you bitches be hating. So anyway, y'all know how I do it. I just jump right into it. And today is Sex Tip Tuesday. Bitch, Sex Tip Tuesday. Bitch, y'all know how I do it. I just jump right into it. So, let me tell y'all something. There's some people who is making love. Now look, you can still fuck a person that you're in love with, right? If y'all just having like a little quickie, whatever the case may be. But when you are engaged in a relationship and you care about this relationship, you value the person that you're in a relationship with, there are some things that you can do that can like just take your love making to like the whole nother motherfucking level. Case in point, see this picture right here? So the one thing that you should do, but actually, so bent over, right? Yeah, this is my vision. So you have her bent over and you take your hand and you spread the cheeks, right? When you spread the cheeks, like you got to look, man, you got to look at the pussy, or girls. Like you got to look at the pussy, like examine it. Like, okay, you doing this at the point where you have had your foreplay, y'all been doing a lot of kissing, a lot of rubbing, a lot of just all the things. So the pussy is juicy and wet and sticky and ready. You know what I'm saying? You're going to keep it that way you're going to have her on your stomach and you're going to spread the cheeks like that. She bent up so you got pussy all in your face. So, and what you going to do? Now, they say you're not supposed to breathe. Not if she's pregnant, don't do that. They say it's something that can happen to the fetus. So that's what the doctor says. So we're not going to do that. Okay. Remember, not to a pregnant woman. And you can blow on it like just a little casual little blow. Just blow on it. And then, you just look at it, talk to it. You know what I'm saying? Let's have a little conversation like, "Ooh, I love you," whatever. And just and add little soft, subtle kisses to it, like, mwah, 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 you know what I'm saying? And then when you're ready, then you eat that thing up. Ah! And also, so for my girls with the dick, right? So you hold that like it's your mic. You know what I'm saying? Your mic sounds nice. Check one. You know what I'm saying? You're going to hold that thing in your hand. And, you or just not, or not. Whatever, you could just leave it and let it just like caress your face. Or you can take it and just like rub it over your face and stuff like that. Or up your nose, your eye, like all that. Like, these are for people who are in love. Like, you value your relationship, right? Your ear, your neck, whatever. And then you could also like add your tongue slowly to only the tip of it, and also around the crevice of the tip. Just take your tongue and go around the crevice of the tip. You understand what I'm saying? The tip of your tongue is gonna go around. You can also talk to her. "Oh, I love you so much. Oh, you were beautiful, the strong dick. I love you so much." I'm about to eat that dick up. Like, you talk to it like that. And then you give it some kiss and mwah, mwah, mwah. And then you gobble that motherfucker. All you deep throat ass bitches. I don't know. I ain't no deep throat ass bitches. Shout out to the deep throat. And ladies, let me tell you something. Don't feel inferior if you can't deep throat. It's okay. Hold it in your hand and handle your business like that. Right? Everybody gag reflex, you know. Some bitches got gag reflex, and that's why we will be gagging. You understand what I'm saying? You bitches who ain't got none, like they, you know. Hey, it is what it is. So that's my sex tip for today. Try that. Let me know what y'all. Damn, I got the heat on. It's hot as hell in here. Yeah, so y'all know my name is Real, and I'm an intimacy coach / seductress with the service called Seductive ArT. And I will be having my next Seductive ArT workshop February 8th. I'll be doing my promotions. I'm going to start printing up the flyers this weekend. So more than likely, y'all will know when, where. It's still at the same place. Excuse me. And I hope y'all come out. Like, so, yeah. So, and I'm excited about it. So, and I hope y'all come and be a part. And y'all, so y'all know I'm an author. The title of my book is called Quickie and 7 Shorty Erotic Stories. Be where you fuck while you read. As well as I am a fashion designer / fashion architect. The name of my brand is Real Nice by Real. I got some hoodies and crop top tees coming. I'm gonna let y'all know where y'all can get that, and I'll be showing them this weekend. So, you know what I'm saying. Actually, for the sweatshirt is still a play on, like, I was so inspired by Kendrick Lamar, and you know what I'm saying. Like, he created another black him. Like, that shit belongs in the book. It's stamped. You know what I'm saying? I be crip walking through that shit like all the time. Like, you know, it's stamped. So anyway, so I was inspired by that. So I'll be letting y'all see that soon. And I hope if I resonate with you, which I hope I do, if you could please hit that, click that. I would appreciate that. Try to get the numbers up over here. And appreciate all those who have subscribed thus far. As well as I am... Well, what the fuck am I talking about? Y'all, my mind be going, rrr. I'm back now. Y'all know how we leave this motherfucker. Be generous, be kind, be opinionated, be boisterous, be confident, be genuine, be humble, be loving, be a great listener, be a great friend, be a part of your community. Black people, be black and proud. Be about your motherfucking money. Be fierce. Be great at what you're great at. Be confident. Be self-aware. Be one with God. Be well, and we have to work on this all the time. Being well mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and emotionally. And in the midst of you doing all that, don't you ever fold. Don't you think twice. Don't you look over your shoulder. And that is, you always be you. Because God made you perfect just as you are. Until we meet again, y'all have a great night.